this video, I would like to explain to you how to construct a scatter plot from a given data set. Now, in the data set we have here, we have the age of cars and the selling price. And we want to use the Ti-83 calculator to construct the scatter plot. To construct the scatter plot here, we go to the Start button, you click on the Start button, then click on Edit. Now we have two data sets, the age of cars. You can make the age to be L1 and the selling price to be L2. It doesn't matter which one is L1 or which one is L2. Now for the age of cars, you can plug in this information into L1. Now to plug in, here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And in L2, we want to plug in the value of the selling price, which is 28, 24, 22, 19, 16, 14, 12, and 9. So this is the value we've got. Now the next thing to do is to click on second function, Start Plots, and we can see the start plot done. Then you can click on the number 1. Here in your calculator it can be off or on, but make sure you click on on. Then under the type we have different design. This is for histogram, this is for the box plots, and these two. Then the first one is going to be more appropriate. On your X list, let it be L1 and Y list to be L2. For the mark, you can choose different design you want, but I think this is okay. Now next is to click on second quit. To plot the scatter plot, we click on the zoom button and you click on 9. Can you see how beautiful it is? Now looking at this, what can you say about this? The question says, would the slope of the line be positive or negative? Now let me tell you this. For a scatter plot, if your scatter plot goes down like this, this is negative. If the scatter plot goes up, this is positive relationship. So here in this case we have negative slope. So this is what we can deduce from this. And alternatively, you can see that as the value of L1 increases, the value of L2 increases. This is like inverse relationship. Now thank you very much for watching. See you next time.